All right, hey guys, Ted at Dundon Motorsports back with another quick hit video for you. Today we are talking about a 992 GT3, and one of our favorite areas to upgrade is the aerodynamics. The 992 is a pretty large departure for Porsche for a standard GT3 in what they provide from an aerodynamics perspective. So the car has some meaningful downforce in stock form. But to take it to the next level, to get it closer to that of the 992 GT3 RS, there's a lot of low-hanging fruit. So we've approached it from a few different perspectives. We have our Stage 1 aero package, Stage 2 aero package, and our full Valkyrie aero package. And we're gonna go through each of those, and I'll share what the components are and what meaningful improvements they make in downforce. First thing is our Stage 1 aero package, which consists of our dual dive planes. So you'll get two dive planes per corner. These are sometimes referred to as canards, but we use those terms interchangeably around here. These get added to the front bumper, and they just use a really quality double-sided tape, so there's no permanent modifications that you would ever do to the bumper. You just prep the surface really well, remove the backing, and then the double-sided tape adheres them to the front bumper. And the rest of the Stage 1 aero kit is paired with the dual dive planes is our gurney flap. And the gurney flap is just an extension piece that goes onto the rear wing. It's a perfect shape. Gets, again, double-sided tape, so no permanent modifications. Gets added to the rear wing, and this combination actually provides a 20% increase in downforce when measured at 100 miles an hour compared to the stock factory aero parts set to maximum. All right, when we're talking about aerodynamic performance, the number one question that people want to know is how much downforce does it add? And so to validate all of these upgrades, we use a tool called CFD, Computational Fluid Dynamics, where we make a 3D model of the car. We scan a 992 GT3, we do all kinds of crazy work. We can show you some B-roll of what that looks like. And then we run that factory scan, the factory body scan, through this CFD software to learn about what the aerodynamics of the car do. And we've done a lot of testing, and Porsche publishes some data so that we are able to validate our CFD data with what Porsche has published. So at about 100 miles an hour, the factory 992 GT3 makes about 237 pounds of downforce. And again, these are on the conservative side. I think the numbers that Porsche claims are a little bit higher, but we try to err on the side of caution. So with the Stage 1, we go from 237 to 314 pounds of downforce at 100 miles an hour with the dual dive planes and the gurney flap. All right, so that was Stage 1. Stage 2, it utilizes the same dual dive planes that you'll find in the Stage 1 kit, so this is kind of an additive package. However, we're gonna remove your factory wing with the gurney installed and replace it with our carbon Valkyrie swan neck wing. So this uses a new set of uprights with reinforced mounts to handle the additional load that the wing provides. It's a three-dimensional wing design, full carbon construction, a 3D end plate, which are really beautiful in my opinion, with a nice sliding mount to make it really easy to adjust. The Stage 2 kit with the dive planes and the wing set at 5 degrees of angle of attack, which is a pretty conservative number overall. That kit brings the downforce up at 100 miles an hour from 237 pounds of downforce to 450. So it's a meaningful increase. You can really feel the improvements. The other cool thing about this wing, it's super efficient. One of the most important things that we've approached our aerodynamic design from standpoint is how can we get the most downforce while not incurring a huge drag penalty? So this wing, if you set this thing at 0 angle of attack, which is flat, it produces the same downforce as the stock wing with half the drag. So you can go for a super slippery approach, super aerodynamic and super low drag, or you can take advantage of the beautiful wing design and get that extra downforce for your on-track work. All right, so that was Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. Here we go. Our full Valkyrie aero package, and the main item that separates it from the rest of the offerings is this full carbon splitter. This is a unique design, and it's not fully assembled here, but what we can really see is that this is a true underwing design. It doesn't rely 100% on diffusers, but at the actual profile of the splitter blade itself, is essentially a wing bolted to the front of your car. That does a few things for us. Number one, it creates a bunch of downforce, which we love. Number two, it's very efficient downforce. Not a huge drag penalty from this thing. And the lower that it gets to the ground, the more effective it is. This also is very artfully designed in that it creates more downforce when it's in yaw, that is when it's in a turn, than it does in a straight line. So think about a very, very fast corner, your favorite local racetrack. Once you bend that car into a corner, you're actually gonna get more downforce than the car is producing in a straight line. Question is, how much downforce? And all of these numbers are quoted with our wing at 5 degrees angle of attack. The factory car at 100 miles an hour produces approximately 237 pounds of downforce. This full package at 100 miles an hour is 600 pounds of downforce at 5 degrees. So we're producing over 300 pounds of additional downforce at 100 miles an hour. At 160 miles an hour in a straight line, it's close to 1,600 pounds of downforce. And again, that wing is only at 5 degrees. It goes all the way up to 14 if you really wanted to get frisky with it. It is a huge game changer in how the 992 GT3 behaves on the racetrack. From outright numbers, this aero package produces almost as much downforce as a factory 992 GT3 RS with the wing in full downforce mode. Again, the wing is very slippery, and so we've struck a really nice balance between downforce and drag, and it really takes the 992 GT3 to the next level. This full Valkyrie aero package is so effective that we require that you run an upgraded suspension. We recommend our MCS 3-way damper package. It comes complete with curated springs, top mounts, PASM delete module. You don't have to buy anything else to put it on there. We include detailed setup and alignment notes so that you get the complete package, top to bottom, no questions. The car's gonna work awesome on the racetrack.